Hansen, what you're going to do today? Huh? What? You will make a puzzle. What is this puzzle? Show me the puzzle. Show me. A jigsaw puzzle. It's a jigsaw puzzle, and you will make a underwater world puzzle. What you will make?
Underwater puzzle.
Okay. What you will make again?
Underwater puzzle.
Okay, so show me how you make it. You have to follow the instruction here, baby. Baby, this is the instruction, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now start. Make your puzzle. And we will put it in the wall.
Okay.
After you finish, we will put it in the wall, yes?
Yes, your world.
Yes. So
Like this?
yeah, I will show your puzzle. One by one. Show me how you make it.
It's a street next to the zoo. And the animals have an unusual friend, Lucy. Meet Georgina the giraffe, Boris the bear, Giggles and Tickles the monkey.